Okay. Okay, so what was the question? No, I'm not sure the right one.
Can you open the script again?
Um, just wondering why it's not synchronized.
عندها مشكلة.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you repeat the question?
This script will be like originating or initiating code, right?
I didn't get the question, sorry.
For this handle, it will initiate the code, not answering, right?
Yeah, so we have like a mobile to mobile scenario. So the first mobile will call the second one, and once the first communication is ended, the second mobile will again call the first one.
So I got used to
this mobile will be originating a call. Yeah. And then will be receiving a call. So here we have two handies in this scenario. We need two handies.
Yeah, but for this script, I got used to both answer start or answer stop at the terminating one, not the originating. Are you understanding me?
Your voice is too low. Can you write your question?
Okay, I will say it again. I got used to put the answer start at the terminated one, not the originating one.
Okay, the answer call
Start
is
comment,
the terminating call.
Yeah. So
was that the question?
Something like this.
I don't know if it. Let me just bring my headset. Just 1 minute. Sorry, I will come back. Okay, test. Can we test now, Raslan?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I think that I can hear you well now. So the voice call start mean we are originating the call, and call answer start mean this in this comment this device will
It's a
be
second device, right? It's a terminated device.
no this yeah, but when this device will answer the call, the call will be coming from the second device. So yeah, in this scenario we need two handies.
Yeah. Okay.
We will just be reverting the roles. Let me just try to share the screen of the second handy. Okay. These are the permissions I was talking about. So when you first launch to Handy, it will ask you to give some permissions. So on my right, there is the phone B, and on the left, the phone A. So we will compare the two scripts. So they both start with airplane mode on off. Then we need the same duration and wait. Let's change it to 5 seconds. Okay. So after the airplane mode, we have a wait of 5 seconds in the both sides. Then the loop starts, and we have phone A, mobile A, which will be calling the B mobile. So we have voice call start in the A side and call answer start in the B side. And we have to set the same call duration on both sides. So let me just script like this. Is it clear? Let me change the duration. Okay, so let me just repeat this part. We start with the airplane mode. We have 5 seconds wait. The loop starts, and then we have mobile A generating a call, and the B sides we have call answer start. So on A side, the left side, the mobile will wait 2 minutes and will force the voice call, force stop the voice call, and on the B side, it will just stop the call answer after 2 minutes. Then there is a 5-second wait. After the 5 seconds, now the B side will be the originating side. So it will call the phone A. So here we have a call answer start command. And again, we will have a wait of 5 seconds and loop stop. Is it okay? Guys, I need your comments. If it's not clear, please let me know.
Why make 3 command for originating call? Voice call start,
Why
then
3
wait,
comments?
then
There is only
voice call
one
stop.
command. Yeah, there is a voice call
Why?
start. Then here we said that we add the wait, the 2 minutes wait to be sure that, sorry? Someone was saying something. Why the 2 minutes wait?
Why? No. Why 3 commands for call?
So let
For
me just
organic
start
call.
new script. Yeah. So if we just click on voice call, let me just select voice call and add like random number and 2 minutes. So it will automatically add the voice call start and the voice call stop comments. So the call duration will be 2 minutes, and then it go to voice call stop, and the call will be ended. So this is by default. If you add the voice call command, it will add you two different, not different, they are linked, but two commands, the start and the stop.
Okay.
So for the wait,
Okay.
I said that sometimes the call takes like the around 3 or 4 seconds to be established. Then maybe the call duration will be less than 2 minutes. So to be sure that the call duration will be 2 minutes, I will add a wait of 2 minutes. I will just put it between the first and the second voice call comment, and I will ask this comment to be to force stop this comment when the 2 minutes are elapsed. But this is very optional. You can just delete it and keep the voice call start and voice call stop comments. Is it okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And yeah, we did the same. So phone A calling for phone B, then phone B calling for phone A. And in each comment, as we want to perform voice quality, we will define the audio sample file used in each comment, and it should be the same. Now let's try to run the scripts. I will come back just 2 minutes. Sorry. Okay, I changed my mobile, so hope we will not have an interruption anymore. We just change the phone numbers and we are done. Okay, so we save the scripts. So here I can see went back to my home view that voice call test of hotel is loaded to my device, and on the both sides again phone A is not synchronized. Okay, so at the same time we press on start measurement on both sides. So we move to script view and we can see that both of them are in command number 3. So you can see the position. So device answered automatically. And I can hear that you can hear too, I think, the voice sample. So they are both on command 6. Phone A is on command voice call stop, so it will wait until the call duration elapsed. and then we'll execute the command number 6, and same on B side. So it started the call answer, it executed the call answer start, and is waiting on command 6, the duration to be elapsed, and then it will execute the call stop. In the meantime, let's switch to voice quality view to see if there is most scores that we can see on both sides. Not visible here. Okay, I can see the most score. I can see the serving cell SNR. We can also see the most scores average, minimum, maximum. We can see in general statistics the voice call connection success rate. We can also, okay, in voice call statistics, we can see that we have 2 voice call attempts. We have 2 voice call that are connected, has been connected. We have 0 failure. 1 call disconnected. It's a normal disconnection. So after the call is completed, we have 1 call disconnected. There is 0 drop. The connection success rate is 100%. The drop is 0%. We can see that for the previous call, the setup time was 3000 milliseconds. And we can see also the setup time average. In summary, we can see the system information, the operator, you can see here the 3G parameters. Okay, we can also read the signaling messages. So just we can search for a certain message. I know that we did an airplane mode on and off in the beginning of the script, so I should have the UE capability message. So we can just read the message here. So you can look for any message and open it. We already saw this. Any questions? We go back to the script view. Baslam, yes, you raise your hand.
We can control how to rename the log file in the script or not.
Sorry, can we control what?
Renaming the log file in the script or not?
The name of the log file?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So when the measurements are done or off. I can't believe this disconnections.
No, I mean before I start.
Before. Let me just stop on this. So you can see that there is a pause or stop button in the measurement. So I will stop on both sides the measurement. I will answer your question. I will just show you something here. So once the measurement is complete, we can upload our measurement file to our FTP server or Dropbox account. So we can rename our log file. So by default, it includes the date and the time the measurement was started on. So I will just keep it. I tolerate it.
Yes, but this is after finishing the measurement, right?
Yeah. This is only after the measurement is finished. We will click on keep to keep the measurement, but I show you in the settings something called prefix. Where was it? Display. Login. Yeah, you have log file prefix. So in this you can just add, for example, day 1. I will again start measurement. I'm losing my connection because I have an airplane mode on and off, so it always disconnects from TeamViewer. Anyways, I will stop again the measurement. Let's click. You see, I have my prefix here. Day 1, then the standard naming of the log files. Does this answer your question, or it's not what exactly you are looking for?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah, you can just add a prefix. Any other question? Okay. Let's go back to the scripts. I believe that there are other functionalities that could interest you. We have seen together the voice call and answer call. So we can also do a video call, an FTP transfer test, HTTP transfer downlink or uplink. We can also test TWAMP, and we have predefined profiles for that. We have a ping test, send SMS, receive SMS. We can also test sending MMS, email. Yeah, there is a forcing feature outside of the script. We will see this later, so we can force the device to use a certain technology, a specific technology or specific band or specific PCI. But we can also do it into the script, inside the script, but it's not always recommended. It's better to do it outside the script. Yeah, if you want to perform, for example, CS fallback tests, so you can disable EMS, do your voice call test, and again enable EMS. Yeah, that's it. We will try together to do a data test script. Let's choose the HTTP transfer. So we need first to define the URL. I have a script here, I think. Mm, okay. So
We are working on FTP
we will
server,
add.
so
Sorry.
we are working on
We can
FTP
do.
transfer, so we can do it. I will send
Do
you a
you have
server
an
and give
FTP
it.
server?
Yeah, yeah.
I don't have an FTP server.
I have sent it in the chat.
Sorry.
I have sent it in the chat.
If you have access to any FTP server, then we can do the test together. Hello?
Yeah, I have already sent it at the chat.
Okay. Great. You will send them on Teams chat?
In Teams, yeah.
Okay. Ah. I just saw your questions, so I want to know if our phones already have a license. Yes, they all have the license assigned to them. And yeah, it can work without a SIM. I mean, if you do a voice test, then of course you need a SIM card. But yeah, it worked. It works well without a SIM. You can do like Wi-Fi test or something like that. Um, do you have a specific error that is displayed on the screen? If yes, I mean, if you can share a screenshot, I will look into it. Um, yeah, to test voice, I mean, you can define just one device that will just call and another one just answering the call. It's okay. I just did a scenario where phone A is calling phone B, then again phone B is calling phone A. But you can do just phone A calling for phone B for 100 times. It's okay. And we can also, for example, do in the same script a voice and data test. Yeah, this is Nemo Outdoor. We will have a training tomorrow on Nemo Outdoor. And for Handy, yes, we can also do we can only do tests on mobile and scripting on mobile. It's Handy is a smartphone based application, so everything will happen on the device. Okay. 1.188. Password. Okay, so here I have the server address, the username, the password. So we will choose to download file from your FTP server. We need the path, Ruslan. Any folder path from where we can just download something. One G. Okay, let's let the other parameters on default. And then we add a 10-second wait. As I said, we are not like obliged to do only data or only voice test. We can do both on the same script. Like here, I can add a voice call, or I can add another data test like the HTTP transfer. I found this in the net. Data. Copy again. Okay, I will add HTTP transfer command, past my link. We can define the attempt timeout, saying that if the attempt exceed 1 minute, it will just end the command. Or I can define the maximum duration of the transfer, like even if not the whole file is downloaded, it will end the command. Here we define the direction, so I can download from that server or upload to it files, and the rest I will let it as default and save. There is also another test that we can do. It's the browsing. Like I will use test this one. Let me check it. Okay. And same, we can define the timeout, the maximum duration, but I will let everything on default. And again, between every comment, we need to add a wait. Even a 5 seconds wait is okay, just to let Handy finish correctly the previous comment. Yeah, and then we can add any command we want to. We can test a ping, send an SMS, or something like that. I will again check my script syntax. Okay, the script verification is okay. I will save it, or I can click Save As and change the name, but it's okay. This one is okay. Overwrite script, yes. So back to the main, to the home view, I can see that my script here in loaded script, my script is already here, so I can directly click on Start Measurement. I will directly check if there is FTP view or not. Again, if we couldn't find the I couldn't find the FTP view here, so I will directly go to page settings and see if there is already a predefined page for the FTP. If there is not, I can create mine and I will show you how to do. I will just to find something. Okay. Let's stop the script. We will just create a new page where we can see the FTP parameters. And again, I will start the script. Okay. So to create, if you think that here in the predefined pages, there is not something that there is not what you are looking for, like for me, I'm looking for the FTP, but I can't see any page with these parameters, then I will click on New Page. I will select an empty page. I will change page name, FTP, parameters, and I will create a split. So it will open a new page, 3 dots, add, and I want to add a parameter. So I will click on parameter and search for FTP. So I have FTP connection success, but I have to give it a label. For me, I will just use the parameter name and click on OK. So I have my first parameter. Then I would like to see also the FTP connection failures. So again, 3 points, add parameter, FTP. We will do an FTP transfer downlink. So this one is okay. So I will copy the name. Again, I will add another parameter. Maybe if you want to see the connection time average, you can see also the FTP transfer failure. We can see also the FTP throughput downlink, the average, but it's okay. Okay. And then we click on save. We close this page. Go back. And we make sure that our new page is visible. So it's hidden, and again, it's I'm not sharing my screen. And again, it's visible. So in the list of pages, once you save your custom page, you go back to the page settings, go to the bottom of the list, and you will find your custom page, and you need to make it visible. So back to the home page, I will find it here, FTP parameters. Okay. And let's start our script. So if you remember, we prepared a script with FTP transfer downlink. So we will download the file from your FTP server. Then we added a command for the HTTP transfer downlink and a browsing test. Let's go back to our FTP parameter. Yeah, there were a pop-up message saying that FTP connection failed. So we need to check again the credentials, but I don't know. Net connection lost. Okay, there is. Let's wait for the second iteration so you can see that we are in the first iteration and the script was set up to be repeated 1000 times. So again, we are in FTP transfer command. You can see under the active transactions that it's trying to connect to the FTP server. No, you can see FTP. Ah, it's not visible here. Can we check again the FTP delete? Ruslan, can you please check with me the server accesses?
Okay, maybe it will not work with you because of you don't have the same card of the operator, so we are okay.
Ah, okay. So it's okay. Let's start again the script and see the KPIs related to the HTTP transfer and the browsing test. Was it clear how to create a new page, a custom page? Guys?
Yeah, it's okay for me.
Okay. Maybe it's better to remove this FTP comment because it takes a lot of time to. Even the HTTP comment failed. Yeah, we'll just change. Okay. We just remove this FTP command. So we have delete here. I will delete the weights also. Save home page and start the measurements. Because I'm connected Wi-Fi. Okay, let's wait just yeah, you can see that the just observe the active transactions and you can see the progress on the HTTP transfer downlink. You can see that the file is downloaded and same for the browsing. So let's try to see the parameters related to these tests. We can first um, see the different throughputs. Okay, let's wait. Mm, I have a serious network issues here. Let me try with the other mobile. Again, sorry for these interruptions. In the meanwhile, if you have any question, just ask it, please. If you have any test scenario that you want to reproduce it with Handy, we can also do it. And if you are wondering if we support any functionality, you can also ask. We change place. Okay. Uh, um, so we will add another test, which is the streaming test, YouTube testing. Um, I will just modify again the HTTP server information. Uh, uh, wait, Saridra, just click on your Nemo Handy license and it will ask you if you would like to load the license, and click on load, and that's it. The license will be loaded to your Handy. Let me know if it worked. Okay, so, oh my God. So I added another comment to my script, which is the streaming. So to add a streaming comment, you click on add. Then there is a comment called YouTube. Okay, then you can directly paste the video URL, or you can search for a video, or just take one from the most popular or last viewed. I will search for Nemo wireless. And I will just choose one video from this list and select. Okay, I can it's a 3 minutes video, so I can ask Handy to just display 1 minute from the video, 1 minute from the video, or I can just let it by default, so it will display the whole video. And again, we have a timeout. I will save the comment. Okay, I have it in double, so I'll delete it. Okay, again, I verify the syntax, save the script. Back to the home page, I will start the measurement. So we can see HTTP connecting under active transactions. I have HTTP connection failed. So it's downloading the website. And you can see like an arrow. It means that it's downloading. We will wait until the download is over, and then it will go to the next command. We will let the script be played for 2 or 3 times to have uh, enough KPIs to check. So when it arrives to YouTube streaming, it will open the YouTube view and it will display the video. Il n'y a pas un endroit où on a une bonne connexion. وين كمان هذيك ما كانش. Wait, they do. Regarde. Déjà, j'ai perdu la connexion. Là, sur Wi-Fi. Sorry, just 1 minute. Uh, yeah, so my device rebooted again, so I will try to connect it. So it's asking me if, as the measurement was interrupted, if I want to keep the log file or not. And again, I will go back to my data script. Edit. Okay, again, a very quick summary. We are doing an HTTP downlink transfer test. Then I have a 5 seconds wait. I'm doing a browsing test, so I'm just loading this homepage from L'Equipe. A 5 second wait, and I'm doing a YouTube streaming test. So as I said, I go back to the home page and start the measurement. I will check the script if everything is going okay. Okay, it's downloading the web page. Wait, and then it will open the YouTube view and display the video. So it's important to display the video in this embedded player because it will calculate many statistics. And we have also the video quality. It's an additional option, but if you want to test the streaming video quality, there is a license for that. Okay, we just wait until the video is displayed to show you the parameters related to YouTube, like the resolution, the buffering statistics, the buffering parameters, the video starting time, etc. Let's just wait the video to be displayed completely. Okay. So the video ended, and the script went to iteration number 2. So we can see repeat 2 on 1000. I think there is an issue with this link, but the rest of the script is okay. Now let's see what we have for the streaming parameters. I will create a new page for my YouTube testing. YouTube stats. Create plate, add parameter, and I will search for YouTube. Okay, so I have YouTube connection attempt or YouTube connection success. I will just see if there is connection success failure. Failed. Okay, so the script was played 2 times, so we have two connection success, and then I will add another parameter and check the buffering. We have the streaming buffering count. We have YouTube buffering state. Add this example. Um, so we have also the connection dropped. Let's see the application throughput. Downlink average. Let's save it. Again, we need to make sure that our page is visible. It is. Okay. I need to go back to the home page and open YouTube stats, and then they will be displayed here. There is a predefined view, the application throughput. So we can here see the application throughput downlink. There is also application and Mac throughput. Let me stop the measurement because the view went to Mindscope view. Stop. Okay. Any question related to this data script? I mean, if you have any other question, it's okay. But I feel like maybe it's not clear for everyone how I did this data testing. Please let me know if you have any question. And maybe if you have a specific parameter that you want to see. Ruslan, you are the only one who asked questions, so maybe you can ask more questions.
But I'm okay for now.
Okay. Maybe if you have time to exercise on your Nemo Handy today or tomorrow morning, I can add before or after outdoor session like 30 minutes to answer your questions, or if you have a specific test like that you want to test with me, or just let me know. There is one other very interesting feature is the force it feature. So in the menu, you can access to forcing, and here we can force our device to use only one system. Like I would like to do only UMTS tests, so I will force my device to connect to UMTS. So I select the system and activate the forcing. So it will like do an airplane mode on and off to lock to the system. So here in the statistics, I will just check whether my forcing worked or not. So in summary, I can see that my serving system is UMTS, so the forcing worked well. I will go back to the forcing and check the band. So maybe you want to force the mobile to use one band. It's okay. Or you can, for example, pick a cell from the available cells. And here are the available cells. I will select one of them and lock mobile. Click to activate. So again, it will do an airplane mode on and off. System changed. Service received. Again, back to forcing. It's okay. So if I would like the mobile to use LTE only, so I will first reset all the locks. It will do an airplane mode on and off. Okay. Device need to reboot. Will reset the locks. Connection to TeamViewer is not stable because in every log, my device is activating the airplane mode. So service lost. Service received. My device need to reboot. Okay. So after I reset all the logs, so I have here all the system checked, I will ask my device to lock only on LTE and activate the lock. Back to the forcing. Okay, we can see only LTE, and in bands we have only LTE band selected. So I can also force my device to a specific band. But for example, I will log to a PCI, so I will pick from the available cells, and I will select my target cell and lock. And again, we see in the summary that the serving system is LTE. Let's check if the PCI is the one we selected. Let's check in LTE cell. Okay, we see the cell of the primary cell. That's the main forcing features that we have. Any questions? Guys, I'm sure you have questions. Come on. No one has question?
I have a question, but about the log file saving.
Okay.
The server of saving the measurement log file.
Can you repeat your question? Your voice is too low.
I was asking about the server of log file.
The server of log file?
Saving, yeah.
Saving of log file. Okay. Do you want to know how to save the file after the measurement?
Yeah. That's what I want.
Okay. So let me go back to my home view. So here we have this section. I just wait the team viewer to be synchronized. Okay. So I have first to load and start my script. So I will click on load and start script. I will choose one of my scripts we have prepared together. This one, for example, script data. So I will select load and run. Okay. So here the measurement or the login starts. Okay, let's wait a few seconds. You can see in status, the login status is a login. We can see then the log file size and the log file name. Okay, after a few seconds, let's stop the measurement. So after we stop the measurement, we have this window. We can upload our measurement files to a server. So we need to configure an FTP server or Dropbox account. We can rename our measurement file. We can delete it or we click on keep. Okay. Now it's saved. Then we need to go to menu, File Explorer, and in results here you can find all the measurement files saved into this Handy. Is it okay? So if you want to transfer your log files into your PC to open it with Nemo Analyze, our post-processing tool, then you will find it in internal storage. There is a folder called Nemo. Then we have another folder, Handy. And in Handy, there is a results folder. Okay. And again, here we will find our measurement files. Does it answer to your question?
Yes, but if I connect the phone with the PC, I will find this because if I open the file manager from the phone, I can't find the log file. Not Nemo file manager. The phone file manager.
There is no Nemo folder?
No.
It's not possible because if you have a Handy app, do you have Handy app installed on your device?
Yeah. So I'm having a problem here.
Can you share your screen maybe? Are you gonna share your screen or not?
No, I will just screen. I will just send a screenshot.
Okay, it works.
Okay, you can see it now. This is internal storage for the phone.
Okay. You see there is essentials and a little row. Then, okay, let me see what's change from essentials to all.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see Handy.
And the log file will be in which folder in Handy?
No, there is first Nemo folder.
Nemo folder.
Inside there is Handy.
Yeah. After that, where I can find the log file?
In Handy there is a folder called results. Nemo, then Handy, then results.
Yeah. Got you.
And same in Handy folder, you will find a script folder where all the created scripts are saved there. If you want to share it with your colleagues, then he needs just to put them in the same folder. Then when he opens Handy, he will also find those scripts. Is the scripting part clear to you? It's one of the most important parts, so you need to understand it well. If something is not clear or if you have any question, just ask it.
Thank you.
Okay. There is another functionality. I don't know if this will be very useful to you as you will have Nemo analyze for the post-processing, but there is a playback functionality in Handy. So after your measurement, if you would like to check anything in a measurement, you can play back that log file. Let me show you how to do that. So menu, File Explorer, select your measurement. I will select this one. And 3 dots in the top of your screen. You have play. So we can see the file loading. So here you can see the login status is playback. So we have the log file name. Then we can stop the playback. We can just go to a specific timing of the login. And then again, we can check all the parameters. We can see the script played. Let me just start. Okay, maybe that information is not available in the playback. My bad. I don't know if it was faulty test, maybe. Yeah, or whatever. The most important thing to know is that this functionality is available in Handy. You can play back any measurement from the file explorer and see exactly the same thing you could see in during the measurement. Let me sure. Yeah, I didn't mention that the measurement file extension for 5G license is .nmfs. You can see here in the file explorer that there is a compressed files. So for outdoor measurement in that compressed files, you will find your measurement file. So it's .nmfs. The GPX file with the GPS coordinates, and there is also a .csv. So it includes statistics about the whole measurement. If it's an indoor measurement, so we have to take a picture of the floor plan and add the markers, etc. So in that compressed file, we will find the measurement file. The extension is again .nmfs. You will find the floor plan we took. So it's PNG, for example. Then we will find the .tab file. So it's including the it's like how do we call it? An interpretation of your floor plan, and we will find also the marker file. It's .mrk and statistics file. What else? I don't know if there is something I didn't mention. Yeah. Let's say that during measurements, you don't want to swap between views and you want like everything to be in the same view. Let's say that you are doing a voice quality test, data test, and you want at the same time to see your script. It's possible you can customize such views. We will add a new page. We will create our first split. I will add just one parameter to just give you an example. Let's say voice call failure. Okay, this is the first one. I will save it. Then we will add another split. We will create another split. Let's say in this time we will add only data parameters. I will add only one parameter, but let's imagine it's 4 or 5 parameters. Let's say application throughput. Save. And then I will add the script view, and that's it. So I called my page Afrotel. Let me modify something before. I will remove this. Okay, so under this, I will add new page. So add page. I will call it data. So I will swipe to that data page and add a parameter. And let's say we'll just take one example, the application throughput. And app throughput. Save. Okay. So now I have I can swipe between. Okay, it's not synchronized. Okay, now it's okay. I can swipe between my voice and data view, and above I can see my script. So if I load a new script, I can see the parameters here, and I can see the script position and how things are going from the script side. So if you want to have anything in one view, you can customize that depending on your needs. Is the idea clear to you? Did you get what I wanted to show you from this view? Okay, I guess it's a yes. I will just check if I shared everything with you. Is there something that I don't know, maybe something that you are maybe there is specific test that you do usually, but I didn't talked about. I don't know if you have any comments. Nothing. Oh, Sam, we didn't hear from you today. Any comments? Any request? I will at the end of the training, I will send you kind of report of what we have seen in today's training. I mean, I will give you some tips or maybe the script that we have built together. Yeah. I think that I shared everything I wanted to share with you. Yeah, guys, I will stop sharing and stop the recording. Again, sorry for the interruptions.